All right, what we're going to do now is we're going to look at average. And what I have done, I'm back in my friend Gus's groceries. And what I have done is I've already figured this, and then I'm going to back up and show you how I did it. So I wanted to know what's the average price that I have paid, which is from here, the average money I have invested in my average profit per item. So in order to do that, I'm going to take them out now that you've seen what we're looking at. All right, come here into this cell and come up here to the FX. And then we're going to select. Now, there are lots and lots of things you can look up, but I'm going to stay with the commonly used. And here's my average. So click on average, hit OK. So you'll see it has the equal sign to start all of our formulas. It has the word average, and then it begins the parentheses because we are working within a cell range. So I'm going to click at the beginning cell and drag down to the end. Then I'm going to close the parentheses. Okay, so in the cell, it just shows me what the answer is. But if I look up here, this tells me what my formula was. All right, in the next square, I'm going to do another average, but I'm going to look at average money invested. So that's a different column. So I'm going to come up here, grab the FX, hit average, hit OK. Now come over here and we're looking at money invested. So I'm going to click. That cell is G2 and drag down to G12. I'm going to end. Whoops, it looks like I did something wrong. All right, so I'm going to click here, drag to G12, end with the parentheses, hit enter. All right, now, because this information was formulated into currency, my money here is formulated into currency. And you've already, if it had not been, you already understand how to formulate that into currency if it did not. The average profit, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to grab up here, average, and then the average profit is this column, and hit enter. All right, so what I'm going to ask you to do is hit me up with some averages. Thanks, guys.